Hello, in this video we're going to solve two-step linear equations. Here's some hints for you along the way. To solve a two-step linear equation, first undo any addition or subtraction. That will remove the constant term. Then undo any multiplication or division. That'll remove the coefficient. We are working backwards through the order of operations, and you may know the order of operations as PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide are one step together, add and subtract are one step together, and we are moving backwards through that process to solve for our variable. So let's use our first example, number 9 here. If I want to get x by itself, I need to undo the addition first. Well, the inverse of addition is subtraction. Subtracting 8 will get rid of that plus 8. So you'll have 6x on the left side. 50 take away 8 will leave you with 42 on the right side. Now the only term to get rid of is the coefficient 6. This 6 is multiplying x, so to get rid of it, I would divide by 6. And 42 divided by 6 is 7. Don't let a problem like this trick you, where the variable has been shifted to the right side. You could rewrite this problem with negative 4k plus 9 on the left and 13 on the right. Because remember, equality means the left and right are equal to each other, so feel free to rewrite it. Now I know how to solve for k. I need to undo the addition of 9 first, so I'm going to subtract. 13 take away 9 is 4. And then I'm going to undo negative 4 that's multiplying k. That is not a minus 4. That negative 4 is multiplying with k. And 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. Let's flip our page over and see a couple more on the back. Try not to get scared when you see a fraction problem. Let's not think of this one on number 13 as a fraction. I've got a minus of 7, and then I'm going to think of this as a divide by 2. So if I'm working backwards through PEMDAS again, write this again so that you can see it on this side of your page, you need to get rid of the minus 7 before the division. So I'll add 7 first. X divided by 2 will equal 16. And now to get rid of divide by 2, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So x will equal 16 times 2, which is 32. I feel like number 15 is a little different than number 13 because we have a fraction in the coefficient spot, but we know how to get rid of fractions. This 3/5 is multiplying with x, and to get rid of a multiplication fraction, we'll use a reciprocal. But before we can do that, we have to handle this add of 22. To undo an addition, I'll use subtraction. The 3/5 times x is on the left side, 28. Subtract 22 is 6. And now to get rid of a 3/5 that's multiplying my variable, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. The 5 in the numerator and denominator cancel each other out. The 3 in the numerator and denominator cancel each other out, so there's only an x. And then you can use a calculator to calculate 6 times 5 over 3. You're going to get 10. Let's try 17 as our last example. Here, it's written backwards. This 7 over 4 is multiplying with p. This negative 10 could be thought of as a subtract 10 because it's separated from the p. If you want to rewrite this in an order that's more natural to you, you could. And now you know your two steps. Add 10 to both sides and multiply by the reciprocal. P will be equal to negative 16. Thanks for watching.